What's up, my charming, amazing squad? The thing is that right now I'm gonna leave from work, and I have a headache in the Suda. That's why I'm not going to the gym. But, anyways, in the meanwhile, before going, I thought I'd show you some stuff. I have this channel on TikTok and also on YouTube, Financial Frontier. It's on stocks in Pakistan and all this. So it has 1125 followers as of now. Well, it's going really good. I'm putting out a lot of informative content on this one, and let us see the stats for this channel, the Street View by Talha. 256 followers, subscribers, 60k views in the last I believe since we started the channel. We have 110,000 people have watched the videos, and I also have a few other channels, but anyways, these were of interest to me right now, and I thought I'd show you. So do support the channel, and I honestly appreciate all of you lovelies for being so supportive of me. And right now I'm gonna leave from here, and since I have a headache, I'll just go back home, do some stuff on my laptop, and maybe relax later. So it's time to leave from work, so let's go. And I think I also need to have the, where's my sunglasses? Oh yeah, here they are. So I also need to put in my sunglasses. Okay, here we go. So what should we talk about while we drive back? Okay, we'll decide about that. We shall decide about that. Here we go. There's a lot of construction going on in Riyadh these days. It's definitely gonna be a mega city of the future. If you live in Riyadh, there are potential drawbacks, there are potential benefits, but the bright side is a lot brighter, and it outweighs the drawbacks. The drawbacks that you could have here is the fast life, the traffic. That's a ROX 1, wonderful car. I've been really impressed by this ROX 1. So the thing is that on the bright side, you have tons of opportunities here in Riyadh. It's a center of all the business activities here in Saudi Arabia. So for people who want to grow, who want to move up in life, it's a wonderful place. This city will keep on presenting you more and more opportunities. You can have opportunities elsewhere, but the thing is that the opportunities, the potential is all concentrated in this. What's this guy doing? Okay. And if you are the one who prefers a peaceful, calm life, then maybe Riyadh might not be for you. There are a lot of other cities in Saudi Arabia that are so peaceful, so quiet. The life is laid back. And those are the sorts of places where you can have lasting connections in your neighborhoods, in your towns, and all this. But in this big city, someone might be living next to you for 2 years, someone for a year or so, and that's how it goes in big metropolitans. So well, these are the scenes here. Before, when I didn't have a car, I used to go on the Riyadh bus, and well, I would walk down this very same track that I came from, and I would go there to the mosque around Maghrib, and after that I would move up there on the Prince Turki Road to reach the bus stop. And if I missed the bus somehow, I would have to wait 15-20 more minutes. But this is a very wonderful small mosque at the corner of this King Khalid Road and the Prince Turki Road, at the intersection here. So here we go, green light. So I've been to Khubar, and well, I really liked the vibe of the city. I went in a relatively good temperature month where the temperature wasn't that high. There was some humidity, but not that much. But anyways, I liked the city. The roads were as big as you would find in Riyadh, but the population and the traffic wasn't that much. Dammam also, actually Dammam is a relatively older city, but it also looked good actually. Another small but exciting place that I went to, it was Yambu on the Red Sea. And for Makkah and Medina, they are must goes. And if you are a Muslim, you can go to Makkah, and even if you are a non-Muslim, then you can visit Medina as well. Last night I saw one video from Riyadh, maybe the early 2000s or the 90s, and there was immense traffic on the King Fahd Road even back then. So well, Riyadh has always had this in it. Although this very city just started like 300-400 years ago from a sort of a fortress, and then over a few centuries transitioned into what we are seeing today. And well, in a few decades it would be completely different. By the way, these traffic signals over here, the route over here, it's all curving and moving like this. But anyways, it seems like I have talked a lot. I tried staying quiet in some videos, but well, I just can't, even though I have a headache right now. But I want to talk to you people. I want to discuss about stuff, and I would really appreciate if you people share your thoughts down in the comments, so we can have a very good engaging conversation. And just consider me like your elder brother. Just driving on the roads, talking to you, discussing life matters, future. That's exactly what the vibe of this channel is. Anyways, I wish I could have more energy right now, but with this headache and a long day at work, I couldn't even go to the gym. But well, sometimes a good rest is what you need. So inshallah, hoping to have that. What do you guys think about a Honda Civic? It's an iconic car, but do you think this car makes sense in Saudi Arabia? Well, I think it should make sense here in Saudi Arabia. It's a very good sedan. So the traffic just stopped over there. By the way, on my left we have an embassy of some country. Today there were really windy conditions, and the thing is that Riyadh is a dry place, so even the winds, they were quite harsh on the skin. And well, if you work outdoors, they will break your will, they will break your souls. You might have heard about the chilling, blazing winds in colder parts of the world. These chilling. So yeah, what I was saying was that these warm winds of the desert, they pierce through your soul actually. So if you work outdoors, what you would want to wish for is a relatively good temperature, a relatively cooler temperature. But if it's not that, if it has to be hot, then it should be either dry but not windy, because if it's dry and windy, you are done. And if it's humid and hot, in either case you are also left for no good. It's gonna break you. And if it's dry, what I observed in Riyadh, if you are out for long, your skin will feel like a dried leaf. But if it's dry and windy, you are done, man. So today was one of those days where it was dry, hot and windy here in Riyadh. But well, it is what it is. You have to manage, you have to be mindful, be watchful, be careful. So what do you guys think about the results of the Insta360 Go 3S? A wonderful camera indeed. Wonderful for what it is actually. In front of me we have a Suzuki Baleno. If you lived in India, Pakistan, or maybe I think even Japan, you might know about this iconic car. It had an iconic shape back then, but right now it looks like a, well, I shouldn't say it, but like a soap holder box. It used to be a legend back in the days, But anyways, they have cut down on the trunk. It used to have a big trunk. It was like a proper sedan, just like I passed this Hyundai Elantra. If you know a Toyota Corolla back in the days from the early 2000s, and well, used to give that vibe, that sort of features. But well, that's evolution. Humans, tech, and most of the stuff has to evolve. Hilva since 1982, 200 ml. Okay. Okay fam, so I'm gonna end the video over here, but well, it's always an absolute pleasure to be making these videos and talking to you guys. I hope all of you all stay blessed, have a very wonderful day ahead. I'll see if I can make more videos, but if I can't, just don't mind it. I'll inshallah show up tomorrow but I'll try to make another video. See you all, stay blessed.